Hi, Heidi. Let's reflect together on our most recent Baker course, 21st Century Digital Geek.
Do you see social networking differently than you did before?
Social networking has become a global phenomenon. I had no idea it was so influential to things like presidential campaigns and advertising campaigns. So, Heidi, are you a changed woman based on this course? How?
No, I am not changed. But I did find it interesting the people in the class who had not been exposed to social networking. Overall, I found the lessons useful, but I do not feel changed as a result. Have your social networking habits changed as a result of this course?
Not really. I didn't use it much before, and I haven't increased my usage since the course began. I have, however, paid more attention to the ways that other people and my community are using social networking. How do you see technology influencing your life in the next 5 years?
I think that technology will continue to grow and advance in ways we cannot even imagine. It will affect everyone, unless you specifically do not allow it to happen.
What is your favorite social network?
Facebook, of course. It is the site on the internet where I spend the majority of my time, and I found it interesting to learn more about its history through this course. Are you worried about privacy issues while navigating online?
Yes, I am, but no more worried than I was before this course. I am far more concerned with someone stealing my credit card or my identity when I shop online.
Let's say you've discovered a caveman, and he needs to make friends. How would you describe social networking to him?
Wow, a real alive caveman. Or is he a dead caveman? That would be gross. If he were alive, I would encourage him to get a cell phone and create a Facebook account so he observed networking for himself. Hopefully he wouldn't try to eat the cell phone. If you could friend someone from history who is no longer alive, who would you friend? What would you want to read about on his or her Facebook page?
I guess I would say Sacagawea. I was fascinated with her as a kid, and I would love to read about what she thought about the daily happenings during her time with the Lewis and Clark expedition. Do you have a favorite lesson from this course? A least favorite?
My favorite lesson from this course was the one in which we watched the social network film. I thought that was a great way to learn about Facebook. My least favorite lesson was creating the blogs. I don't enjoy blogging, and I find it tedious. Overall, though, I have enjoyed the course very much. How about you?
I did not care for the blogging either. I realized that the practice is relevant to digital technology today. However, I would have been happier just responded to posts on the Moodle message board. I think the section I enjoyed the most about this course was the section on bullying. It is a very relevant topic now. And while it is heartbreaking hearing and reading some of the personal accounts, it is also heartwarming to see the call to action many have demanded to stop the escalating problem.
It sounds like we both learned a lot in this course. It was great to meet you and chat with you, Heidi.
Thanks, Mike. It was nice working with you this term.